Okay, here's a neat little quadcopter. It's just really tiny. It's called the Proton N, and here's the controller for it. And let's charge her up and see how it operates. It's got a little charger port here, and let's see. Here's our charging supply. It's got one end that hooks into the USB, and the other end, it's got a little thing here. See this tab? It goes up over that tab. Plug. Let's get this guy so tiny. Plug it in there. Okay. We can actually stick them right here inside of its controller and close it up, make it all safe in there. Take our USB charger and plug that into the computer, and charging status is red, and I believe that changes when it gets charged up. And so we'll try to fly this incredible little device. I can't even believe how tiny those motors are. Here, let's center that guy in there. There, it's got a little platform it can sit on, get the blades all twisted right. Now you can close it up and carry it with you. Okay. Okay, so looks like we're all charged because the other light went out on that guy. So we'll unplug him, unplug it from the helicopter, and maybe we'll take it for a test spin. That's good. It's not working? Are you serious? Okay, go ahead. So I wanted to show it hovering above your hand for a second. Okay, Sarah, go ahead. Okay, so here's the box for the Proton N, and let's take a look at what's inside of here. Okay, so we have our charging cable here, which is hooks directly to the helicopter. You don't actually take the battery out of this guy. And we have our controller. I put the helicopter inside. It has a little carrying case here. It was actually in a plastic thing originally, and it's a tiny little thing. And here's where you charge it. It's got a little tab that sticks out there, and kind of a neat little quadcopter. You can carry around inside of this guy. And what else? Looks like it comes with about 4 extra blades, 1 for each. Of course, the 2 of the blades are interchangeable other than the color. Oh, and some directions here. Okay. And I guess that's that.